Good morning, children. In previous class, you learned about characteristics of living things. In this, you learned about living things move, living things need food. And now you are going to learn about living things breathe. Living things breathe. Animals and human beings. Animals and human beings breathe through their nose. Animals and human beings breathe through their nose. Then birds. Birds breathe through tiny openings on their beaks. Birds have beaks, no? So on their beaks, tiny opening, tiny, very small openings are there on beaks. So these tiny openings are called nares. So birds breathe through nares. And some birds also breathe through their open beak only. Some birds breathe through their open beak. Now insects. Insects breathe through air holes on their bodies. Air holes. Holes are there in their bodies. Insects have air holes on their body. So they breathe through the air holes. Insects breathe through air holes on their bodies. Now about plants already you learn. Plants take in air and through tiny openings. On plant leaf they have tiny opening on their leaves are called. These tiny openings on leaves are called stomata. Stomata. So plants take in air through tiny openings on their leaves. Those are called stomata. So living things breathe. Animals and human beings breathe through their nose. Birds breathe through their tiny opening on their beak is called nares. So birds breathe through nares. Some birds breathe through their open beaks only. Insects breathe through air holes on their on their bodies. Now plants breathe through stomata. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things then do not breathe. Mountain is there. Mountain is a non-living thing. It can breathe. Book is there. Book is non-living thing. Is it breathe? No. So non-living things do not breathe. But our living things breathe through their different parts. Next, we will learn about living things respond to stimuli. Living things respond to stimuli. All living things respond to changes in their environment. All living things respond to changes in their environment. Stimuli. What is stimuli? Stimuli are factors that produce a reaction in a living thing. In a living thing. It is a reaction. Stimuli means stimuli are factors that cause living things to respond to them. Respond to them means what? Factors that produce a reaction. Produce a reaction in a living things. That produce a reaction in living thing. Stimuli means it produce a reaction on living thing. For example, I will tell one example. Now, your mouth will start watering. Your mouth will start watering when you saw your favorite dish or ice cream. Ice cream you like very much, no? So, your mouth will start watering if you see your favorite ice cream. Here, ice cream is the stimuli. Ice cream is the stimuli and mouth watering is the response. If you see that factor, then your mouth will watering. That is responding. What item you saw, that is stimuli. How you are responding. So, that is response. Now, here ice cream is the stimuli and the mouth watering is the response. Plants also respond to stimuli. Plants also respond to stimuli. For example, seedling is there. Seedling bend towards light, sunlight. Seedling bend towards sunlight and the roots of the plants move towards water. That means down. Okay, now it is responding. So, plant, seedling is there, no small plant. Seedling bend towards the light and the roots, plants move towards water. So, stimuli means responding, reaction, factors that produce a reaction in a living thing are called stimuli. Factors that produce a reaction in a living thing are called stimuli. So, in ice cream is the stimuli, watering mouth is the response. But non-living things do not respond to stimuli. Non-living things do not respond to stimuli. Did you understood, children? Now, read living things breathe, living things respond to stimuli. These two characteristics you learned today. So, in textbook page 36, read today's homework is page 36. Page 36, read from textbook. Now, listen children. Now, living things, they have only a certain period of time they live. Living things live only a certain period of time only they live. This is called their lifespan. Lifespan. So, living things live only a certain period of time only, that is called lifespan. So, page 36, today's homework is read page 36.